What's up, guys? What's gonna happen today? We are down at the river. I'll figure out what the fuck river this is in a minute. But it's not a solo mission today. I've got Tucker Nuts with me. And let's see what kind of shit we can get into. So, check this out. It's a cool little spot. I'm about, I don't know, 30 minutes down the trail. Big old bridge I just crossed under. Still got Tucker Nuts. He's actually been pretty good. First time him on a leash. It's just a little puppy. And also, I still don't know what the fuck river this is. Oh, Tucker is getting it in. Oh, is that cold shit, dude? Check out this epic spot. I haven't seen any signs that you're not allowed to camp here or have fires. Obviously, it's like the third fire pit I've seen. But this is a pretty epic spot right here. So check out this. Why is this a second time in 2 days? And I've just found random shrapnel next to a river. It's just, I don't even know. Huh. Piece of a fence or something. This is fucking weird. So I think that's a camper all mangled the fuck up, and maybe that's the trailer or truck that it came off of. I don't know. But Tucker and I are gonna keep trucking down this trail, which I have no idea where it goes, but hey, that's the point of what happens today, or what's gonna happen today. So it looks like they dirt bike and quad through here. I mean, those are definitely quad tracks. They got this tiny little baby berm, and I thought the trail ended, but I kind of found another trail, so I suppose Tucker and I will find out where this goes. So this is apparently where the trail ends so far, and if Tucker wasn't here, I would definitely be climbing up on that and trying to cross the river. Alright, so check out this little epic trail. Come on, Tuckers. Let's see if we can get down this together. It's a little hairy, but it's pretty dry today, so oh yeah, no problem. No problem. Oh, shit. Oh, I almost just ate it right there. Tucker did just fine. Come on, Tucker. Just fine. No problem. Yeah, look at this. If it was a little warmer, I'd figure out what the fuck is in that hole over there. This is still pretty epic. Tucker is loving it. And what the fuck? There's a bike just stuck in here. And it looks to be an operating bike, so whoever has ownership of that bike, probably around here somewhere. But man, look at that view. And Tucker is smelling things that he has never smelled before. And he's also pissing on things he's never pissed on before. But at least he's lifting his leg now. So Mr. Tucker Nuts and I just found this other trail. And man, look at that view. I didn't expect that. Oi, you gonna be able to get over this, Tucker Nuts? Oh, man, got right over. He saw a bird on the other side and he was like, yeah, I'm getting over that fucking log. Boy. So, first time Tucker's been on a harness for the most part, at least leash training. And honestly, through all this shit, I think he's doing pretty good. So, leave a comment if you think there's a better way to train him, but I think he's doing great. So I thought I brought 2 bottles of water for Mr. Tucker. And I didn't. I only brought 1. So we're rationing. And so I had a little Dorito bag and put some water in that so that I wouldn't spill everything. And well, are you just not thirsty? Come here, Tucker Nuts. Well, fuck. Maybe I just wasted that. But he has been at the river, so I'm not too worried about it. And don't worry, yes, I will carry this garbage out. But man, check out this view. I don't even know where I'm at. I'm on a trail that I don't know where it goes. I'm here just with Tucker Nuts. And I'm sure we can find our way back. But anyway, water, Dorito bag, and the fucker doesn't even want it. Alright, so we found this little epic spot. Let's see if Tucker and I can get down this thing. Oi! He is doing a much better job than I am, especially when I'm trying to film. Man, check this out. Alright, a little swamp thing, and then the river right here. Come on, Tucker Nuts. Well, he made it down there just fine. So, shit. That's my shoe. I think Mr. Tucker Nuts wants to go fishing. And apparently I want to go slipping. What are you trying to find in there, Tucker Nuts? Okay, so what in the world of Walking Dead is this? What the fuck? Hey, so we're a ways down this trail and come across this gate. It says no trespassing. I'm gonna take their word for it. But it also says this means you fucktard. Yeah, I'm not going up that road. Look at this swamp people ass shit. Can't tell. Right there, that's all like swamp. Probably catch a few good frogs in there. So I believe we are reaching the end of our trail. No, Tucker. Uh-oh. I don't want you to jump down there. Pretty cool. But honestly, I think we found more epic spots on the way here. Okay. This is the bike I showed you guys earlier, and this was not in this fucking spot. Hey, how you doing? Come on. Creepy. So, as you guys may have noticed, when we came in, I wanted to go up this trail. But there was this little barricade thing. And so I didn't. And then we went all the fuck way down there and somehow ended up here. So we break some rules today. What's up, guys? So here we are at the end of the trail. Had a great time. Tucker Nuts had a great time and still having a great time. We're gonna chill here for a few minutes and then it's gonna be a long walk back. But this is probably gonna be the end of the video. So please like and subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I'll see you next time.